start the recording. Let's share my screen. Okay. So already we have restored the cumulative backup. Okay.
Yes, right. Yeah,
Now what we need to do, we will need to exist from here. And now which backup we need to restore now? The
differential.
differential, which we have taken after the cumulative. Okay.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So we are on differential location. Okay. So we'll connect to the RMAN again. Our database is running on Mount State. So on which location
Yes,
we
right.
need to restore the control file, which is available at differential location. So we'll
Yes, right.
restore it. We'll restore it from no mount.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Yes,
So we'll shut down the database and we'll start the database on no mount state, and then we'll restore the control file from the differential backup control file.
yeah, bye.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm. Now database is stopped now, so we'll start up no mount.
no more.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
So database has been started. Now we will restore the control file first. Restore control file from the differential location control file, and this is the differential control file backup name. Okay. So we have restored control file. Now we will mount the database. Alter database mount. Okay. So database is on mount stage. Now we just from here go to the differential and rename the differential name as like diff1. Okay.
Yes,
And
bye.
what we will do, we will catalog the new
Yeah,
location
bye.
where we have our bike. Okay. So now is the we are connected to the database which is on mount stage. Now we are going to catalog the uh, catalog the new location. Okay. This one. Sorry, there is spelling mistake here. Here we can see we have all the files which is available on the today's differential backup location. So we have
Yeah,
all
bye.
those files here. Okay. Now what we will do, we will restore database. Okay. Now after this restoration, we have almost restored all those backups which is available on this for this database, right? So we have completed the restoration of all the backups. Now we are going to recover the database.
Yes, bye.
Okay, so when we will run the recover database, so after this backup, whatever the transaction happened and which is and all those data Where we will get all those data? We will get all those data in the archive logs, which is available in the archive logs. So when
Yes,
we
bhai.
will execute the recover data, then it will check, it will validate all those archive logs, and then it will apply all those changes from the archive logs to database. Okay.
Yes, bhai. Yes, bhai.
Then why we did not run the recover data before that? Because this is our test machine. Okay. So if you run the recover database, okay, so what will
Okay.
happen? It will start the recovery from the because all the archive logs is available on the server. So it start to recover the database from there. So
Okay.
yeah, so I can't show you like how to restore the differential, how to restore the cumulative. So this is the process.
Okay,
Using
bhai.
this process, you can recover your database easily. Means like
Okay, bhai.
if you have already, I have shown you, as you can see here, recovery process is successfully completed. Now,
Yes, bhai.
as I told you, if you run the alter database open only,
Open.
then we'll get the error. So what we
Yeah.
will do, we will open the database with
Nah. Reset
reset
logs.
logger. Okay?
It will generate a new archives from sequence scam to one onwards.
Not new archives, it will generate the archive, but it will reset the archive sequence.
Okay, okay, got it, bhai.
Now here you can see the database has been opened.
Yeah,
It
yes, right.
gist from here, okay? And now
Yes.
let's connect to the SQL Plus, okay?
Yeah.
And let's check the select name, open mode,
Okay. Database role.
database row from
Bida
Bidar
database.
database, okay? So
Yeah,
database is
database
up and
up
running
and
fine.
running. Yeah.
Now we need to check the
Archaeolog list.
archive log list. Here we have reset the archive log sequence. So it started from 1. Okay.
Yes,
Now
very.
let's check the test user. If the test user is available or not. So let's
Okay,
check
bhai.
username. Mm, First we need to set the lines 100, 24, 20. Okay. And what we will do? Just over here. Okay. Now run the check the test user detail. So select username, account
Status.
status from DBA underscore
What's the users?
users. Okay. Now here we can see this is the test user. Okay.
Yeah, bhai.
In the last, here we
Yes.
can see, and the
Open.
account status is open. So now
Yes,
let's
bhai.
try to connect to that user,
Okay, bhai.
and we have keep the password same. Means the whatever the permission and whatever the user and their password we have given before the crash, database crash. So we have the same information.
Yes, bhai.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now we have successfully completed the user test. Okay. Now
Okay, bhai.
let's check the table data.
Okay, bhai.
Select star from P1. Before that, we have the 16 rows data, right?
Yes, bhai. Right.
And here you can see we have all the 16 rows.
Yes, bhai. Right.
Means whatever the transaction we have
Okay.
before the database crash time, So
Yeah.
we have all those transactions, all those data is available in the database.
Yes,
Means
right.
we have successfully recovered the database till the crash time.
Yeah, yes, bye.
Okay.
Yeah, understand, bye.
So this
Clear.
is the process, like how you can restore your data.
Yes, bye. Okay.
Okay. So what I will do, will so you need all this command, or will only I will copy and paste the main command which we have performed for restoration.
No, bye. In the video, I will prepare all the scripts by manually.
Yeah,
I'm
you will
practicing
get it
time.
all the commands, so that will
Yeah, bye.
be good for you. Because
Okay, bye.
yesterday restoration, as you can see, yesterday restoration I have already mentioned here. Like
Okay.
step one, what you need to do, okay,
Okay, okay.
and how to restore your control file, then mount the database. Also, I have given here like if here in the third step you can see if you are
Yes, bye. Right.
cataloging this location. So if RMAN will not read all the backup pieces, then rename the directory name from full backup to full and run the command with the new path. So again, I have executed the catalog start
Catalog
with the
start.
new name
No
and then
directory.
restore
No
the
path.
database, recover the database.
Yes, bye. Okay.
So it was just a step.
Yes, bye.
Okay.
Right.
So we'll also
Yeah.
try to put all the commands which we have performed here. So I
Okay.
will just put it here. We will given the first we need to restore like label 0, this and this, and then after restore the cumulative. Okay.
Yes,
So
bye.
already I
Yeah.
have explained why we need the cumulative and why we need the
Cumulative and
differential.
differential and level 0
So
backup.
look, if you have, you do not have, means like in normally, if we talk about the normally on the server level, so normally after label 0, every company has scheduled the label 1, not the cumulative, the differential one by default option.
Okay.
Okay. So they are
Yeah.
going with that option only. So if suppose after label 0 and to the next day around 4 to 5 days, your differential backup has been completed. On the 6 days evening, your database has been crashed. Okay.
Okay.
So always remember, you need the label 0. You need all the 4 days differential database. And after the last differential, whatever the archives have been generated on the server, you need all those archives on the server. Okay. So
Yeah,
first
bye.
you need to restore your incremental label 0, means your incremental full database backup. Okay. Then
Yeah.
you need to restore the first day differential. Okay. Then you need to restore the second day differential. You need to
Okay.
restore the third day differential. You need to restore the fourth day differential.
Sure.
And then you need to recover your database with the available archives.
Archaeologs. Okay, bye.
So for next, after first you need to restore the label 0 backup one. Do not run the
Okay.
recover command. Okay. And
Okay.
then you need to restore the differential, day 1 differential.
Day
Okay.
2, day
Then
3,
day
day
2
4.
differential, day 3 differential, day 4 differential. When you restore day 4 differential, okay, successfully,
Yeah.
then after you need to run the recover database.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Means
Yeah.
when you are performing to restore the day 4 differential, okay. So for day 4 differential, what you will do? You will restore the day 4 differential control file backup first. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
mount the database, then catalog the database backup location, and then you need to restore the database. Okay. And then
Yeah.
run the recover database.
Okay, bye.
Means which whatever the last backup you were restoring in the database. So on that means once you have completed the restoration for last day backup, then you can run your recover data.
Yes, bhai.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So always remember these things. Like if we have last 4 5 days backup, so you need to run the restore command only. You no
Okay, bhai.
need to run the recover command. When you will run the recover command, when you will restore your last day backup before the crash time, whatever the backup we had taken. So when you will restore that day backup, so after successfully completed the restoration of that day backup, then you need to run the recover database command.
Okay,
Okay.
understand, bhai.
Yeah. So this is the like basic process.
Okay, bhai.
So you have the time. You need to uh, like run the command. And upcoming Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah,
So I will try to take the session by on your system only because
okay, bhai.
I am going somewhere. So I will not able to keep my personal laptop also with me. I
Okay,
will
bhai.
only
Okay,
bring my official laptop with me. I will
okay,
not have my personal laptop. So
okay, bhai.